Hello everyone! So you must heard the recent buzz around Chat GPT, an artificial intelligence chatbot that was released to the public at the end of November 2022. This new chatbot from OpenAI took the internet by storm. 5 days after OpenAI released Chat GPT, it crossed 1 million users. Chat GPT automatically generates text based on written prompts in an advanced and creative way. It can even carry out a conversation that feels pretty close to one you would have with human being. For example, if you ask ChatGPT to explain about the stock market, the responses were as if you were talking to an expert on the matter. Unlike the case on Google, answers from the artificial intelligence chatbot are often more useful than those from the world's dominant search engine. The big news is, currently the chatbot is open for users during the research preview time and it is completely free. This got me wondering, is ChatGPT smart enough to replace Google? So let's have a look at its amazing features and interface and see how it could change the world. It's easy to sign up for ChatGPT. All you need is an email address. However, sometimes it fails to connect as its server is busy due to heavy traffic. Once you have registered, the web page is very simple to navigate. There is an area where your results will populate and a text box where you will type your inquiries. ChatGPT gives you a detailed answer for your queries, and you don't have to go to various different websites like I would have if I would Google any question. So let's start and see how we can register and sign up to ChatGPT. Now go to Google and type Chat OpenAI. Click on the top first link. It will lead you to the official website of ChatGPT. Just click on the login button to log into its account. You can use your official Gmail ID to sign in ChatGPT. That is the easiest way to log into this account. Click on Continue with Google, and now you can select your official Gmail ID. Now you are signed in to ChatGPT. It has a very simple and user-friendly interface. You can just start a new chat every time. You can change its dark and light modes, and you can just play around it. Okay, so let's start and ask few questions from ChatGPT. I just want to know, what should I cook today? Let's see, how does ChatGPT reply to me? Wow, it's too fast. It is giving me lots of ideas about cooking. And now it's very easy for me to select any dish to cook for today. It's just like a friend, and it is just like answering me like a human being. I love it. Alright, so now I can ask any question from ChatGPT. It is giving me an answer in detail. Okay, so now I want to know how I can earn online. Let's see what ChatGPT says. Okay, so it is just giving me many ways to earn money online. Wow, freelancing, selling products, creating selling online courses, starting a blog or YouTube channel. Wow, becoming an affiliate marketer, doing small tasks or gig work, participating in online surveys. This is very helpful to me. Okay, now ask another question from ChatGPT. I want to make a wooden chair at home. So I want to know how to make it. Let's ask ChatGPT how to make a wooden chair at home. It is answering me in detail and just giving me steps that I can just follow to create a wooden chair at home. Gather your materials, draw a design, cut the wood to size, assemble the chair frame, add any additional supports, sand the chair to smooth, finish the chair with a wooden stain. Wow! So it has given me all the details that are required to create a wooden chair at home. It is very helpful to me. Not only this, but I can also use this amazing artificial intelligence tool to create or write code or a script. So let's see how we can just do it. If I want to write the script for a movie, then I can just take some help from Chat GPT. Not some help, but actually it is going to write the complete script for me. I want Chat GPT to write a short movie script on Qaid-e-Azam. And you can see how it is just writing a complete script for me with all the dialogues and scenes. So this is the height of artificial intelligence. I'm just shocked how it is writing a complete script for a short movie for me. So this is amazing and this is very helpful. Okay, let's check how it can write the codes for me. So we can just write the website code, the HTML code, CSS code, and code in different programming languages in ChatGPT. It can help us out to write all types of code in a matter of minutes. As you can see, I have asked ChatGPT to write an HTML code for me for my website blog, and it has given me a complete code for my website blog. Wow, this is amazing. Okay, now I want an image slider for my website. So let's ask ChatGPT to type an HTML code that can create an image slider on my website. So just type in the text box an image slider code in HTML. Let's see how it answers. Here's an HTML code for an image slider using the slides JavaScript library. Alright, so it is giving me a complete JavaScript coding that I can use to create image slider on my website. It's amazing. This is very helpful for me, and I can just use this code directly to my website. Alright, so now I want to write a blog for my website on morning workouts and losing belly fat. So let's see how ChatGPT can help me out writing that blog. Just type in the text box, please write a blog on morning workouts and losing belly fat. And press the enter button. It will write the complete blog for you that will be full of information and useful tips. The best part is that this blog is plagiarism free. This is not copied from anywhere, and this is 100% plagiarism free. So you can also check the plagiarism of this blog through a plagiarism checker tool. For that, you need to copy all the content and then paste it in a plagiarism checker. So just copy the content and search for a plagiarism tool on Google. Just open it and paste the copied content in the text box. Now click on the Check Plagiarism button. It will take a while, and then it will show you whether your content is plagiarism free or not. Alright, so as you can see, this content is 100% unique and it has 0% plagiarism. So Chat GPT has amazing features and it can provide us all type of content. It can help you out just like an expert professional. So just make it your friend today. Just log into it and start using it for your amazing upcoming projects. Keep watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.